The NeuroTrainingLab is a leadership development methodology, and we can look at NeuroTrainingLab and look at each of those different words separately. Training refers to development. It's not an assessment center, although we also use actors and real situations to really expose people to situations where they have to prove and demonstrate their leadership capacities, their emotional intelligence, their social intelligence, and their cultural intelligence. The neuro of NeuroTrainingLab refers not just to the fact that we measure people's EEG or electroencephalographic activity, but also because the whole methodology has been designed to make sure that we create a situation of learning, a safe environment where people can make mistakes and learn from the mistakes, and giving them feedback, immediate task-based contingent feedback, because that's really the only feedback we know from research that works. And it's also a lab, right? It's a lab because people can experiment with new behaviors. But it's also a lab because it allows us to collect data in a systematic way and do research based on what we observe in leaders and develop new theories, new insights in what really works in leadership. So the very first NeuroTrainingLab was established at AMS Business School in Barcelona in Spain. But since then we have developed several labs in collaboration with local entrepreneurs around the world. And the fifth lab we have just installed now here at Antwerp Management School. This is where we actually also going to do some more fundamental research, looking deeper at the roots of leadership, using more advanced technologies, headsets with more sensors. The AMS NeuroTrainingLab is going to be in that way the central lab, the research lab that will inspire all the other labs to continue innovating.